Now I'm going to teach you some drop heels. This is used a lot in set dances and show dancing, and it's a really nice move if you can master it. So we're going to go treble, toe, drop, down. I'm going to do that again for you to the side. We're going to go treble, toe, drop, down. The main thing in this move, when I do the treble, I land on the ball of my foot, so that way I'm able to drop my heel once I do my toe. So treble, land on your toe, toe on the back foot, drop, down. And that's your 4 beats. I'm going to do it quick for you. And to the side, I'm going to do it slow first. Treble, toe, down. Toe, down, down. And now fast, it's going to be. And that is your treble drops.